Hello student, this is our activity number 7, injection mold design for the internal undercut. The component we have to draw. First of all, we check this component. This is the component which we have to draw first. First of all, we have to draw a rectangle here. Go to rectangle and pick a point here and then press D, enter. The length should be 70 and the width should be 45.5. Enter. And it is the rectangle. Then offset the same rectangle by 1 mm inside because the wall thickness is the 1 mm. And then go to we can check the wall thickness from here to here. It is 1. We can also check the wall thickness from here to here. It is 1.2. So and here it is 1. Delete. So we have offset this and then stretch it by 0.2 downward. 0.2 downward. And here is the distance 4 mm. So stretch it by 4 mm upward. Sorry, 3 mm because 1 mm it is up. Already have 1 mm, so it total should be 4 mm. Now draw a line here by 1.2 and then draw a perpendicular here, then extend the same line to the right line, then erase the extra line. Now we just check the distance between the first line from here to here. It is 13.2. So just go here and draw a line by 13.2 and then draw a perpendicular, then extend it upward and erase the helping line. Now offset it by checking the distance of in between two lines, this and this. This is 0.5, so offset it by 0.5 rightward and then we have to draw check this thing, how much the distance of in between 1.5. So just draw a line here by 1.5, then it is of 6.2 and then put a perpendicular on this line. Now check the position where it lies from one end. This is 17.05. So draw a line here, 17.05, and position it by moving and then erase this line. Now we also draw this. This is 1 mm and 1 mm. So just draw a line here by 1 mm, then downward 1 mm, then again 1 mm, and then put perpendicular here. Then erase it and then mirror it downward at the midpoint of this line, and then we can add it. If we have some distance, a pitch distance from here to here, that is 13.7, and we just select array, select object, this one, and how much we can count. There are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So enter number of 4, column 4, rows 1, and row offset should be 1, and column offset should be 13.7, and it's done. Now we can check the last distance of this. Alright, now copy these details to here, and now it is ready. And now we check the distance here. Here is the distance, that is 6.1 and 7.7, 6.1 and 7.7, which is visible. First distance should be the 3.55. So we just draw a line here, 3.55, and then draw perpendicular here. Now erase it and offset it by 7.5, 7.7, in this direction, and then we can offset it by 6.1, offset 6.1, 1 in this direction, then copy these two using this, and erase the extra line. The distance between these two should be 3.55 and it is okay. Now we draw some dashed line here which are to offset by the thickness of this is the 0.85. So we can offset these two by 0.85, left line leftward and right line rightward. Now we can change the property of this line in dashed and match the second one, then copy these two just like this. Now the detail is ready, and this detail should be extended. This is okay, and one line we can draw here. The distance of that line, this is 1.2 mm. It is drawn, so this line should be dashed line. Yes, so we can match property with the help of this dashed line, this, and then extend all these lines to the upper line. They can also be extended to the upper line. It's okay. Now the top view is completed. Now we have to draw the elevation. This is the elevation and we have to draw it. Just draw, just pick a polyline here and start to draw from here. First line to be 2.55 as we have just drawn, then go downward by 3.6. Should be the 2.75 downward, then 7.7, then upward by 2.75, then 6.1. Here is the 6.1. This is, and then downward 2.75, then 7.7. Sorry, it should be